Hello everyone. In this video we will learn the quick sort. Sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithm are a set of instructions that take an array or list as an input and arrange the atoms into a particular order. Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks an element as a pivot and partitions the given array around the picked pivot. There are many different versions of quicksort that pick pivot in different ways. First, always pick the first element as a pivot. Second, always pick the last element as a pivot. Third, pick a random element as a pivot. And last, pick a median as the pivot. Let's see the example. Here is the unsorted list of elements. Generally, we assume the first element of the list as a pivot element. Let 2 be the pivot element and scanning done from right to left. Comparing 2 to the right side element, and if right side element are smaller than 2, then swap it. Otherwise, consider the next element as a pivot and do the same process as above done until the list is sorted. And here is our sorting list using quicksort. A randomized version of quicksort. Because the pivot element is randomly chosen, we expect the split of the input array to be reasonably well balanced on average. Worst case partitioning. The partitioning routine produces one subproblem with n-1 element and another subproblem with 0 element. So the partitioning cost 0 of n time. Best case partitioning. The partitioning procedure produces two subproblems, each of size not more than n by 2. The equal balancing of the two sides of the partition at every level of the recursion produces faster algorithm. Complexity analysis of quicksort. Let T of n be the time complexity of quicksort. To calculate the recurrence relation of T of n depends on the size of the subproblems. We divide the given problem of size n into subproblems. The first subproblem of size of from a of 1 to a of m minus 1 and the second subproblem from a of m plus 1 to a of n where a of 1 to a of m minus 1 is the left subproblem of pivot element and a of m plus 1 to a of n is the right subproblem of pivot element. Best case. Since the list is divided into two halves, t of n is equal to 2t of n by 2 plus theta of n. Therefore, t of n is equal to theta of n log n. Worst case. Each divide operation gives different splits. T of n is equal to T of n minus 1 plus theta of n. Therefore, T of n is equal to theta of n square. Thank you.